Mu6 Space2 noise canceling headphones. At around $200, I have Anker Soundcore Q20, and I also have my favorite Bose QC35. That's around $299, and this is $50, but this is a phenomenal headphone for the price, around $50. And let's check out this one today. It has touch control. I'm probably going to give this one to my son as a gift. Nice. We have a case. We got some paperwork. Very compact, which reminds me of the QC35, of course. It feels like so, right? This is slightly larger, I think. This is slimmer, but this one is a bit larger. And we have sensors here, which allows me to pause the music when I take it off. Type-C charging, that's what I like. Let's put the camera closer. The buttons are not labeled, so appears to be pretty durable. This is metal, just like QC35. Metal. Yeah, I put it on, feels pretty comfortable, and I'll keep you guys updated about its long-term durability. Appears to be in peri mode. Fully charged it. Install the app, which allows me to change the noise canceling settings on this phone with the normal and enhanced. Overall, it's a very good pair of noise canceling headphones, very comparable to the Bose, but it does sound more crispier because of thanks to the highs and EQ adjustments. I think it definitely maxed out the EQ setting on these headphones. The app on my phone does not allow me to change EQ settings, but I think they definitely, from the factory setting, it is really maxed out. Very deep bass and very crispy highs. On the contrary, this one and Bose sound more similar to each other, you know. And they also have the left and right writings in the ear cups. This is Soundcore. Like the fact it's using the Type-C charging. It came with 70% charged from the factory. And however, one drawback is that even I turn on the automatic play and pause from the app setting, I still couldn't get this thing to work, which, you know, it claims that it can pause when you take it off. And of course, there's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Oh, actually, it is smaller, 2.5. I think the input is. So it's different size. This is 3.5. This is 2.5, I believe. Yeah, overall, it's a very pleasing sound signature, and I like it a lot. However, but if you have only $50 to spend, go with the Soundcore. However, it is a strong competitor to the Bose QC35 QC series, and I think it is very similar to the Sony one. The play and pause is very easy. I was kind of worried. It's kind of, you have to tap the center, but when I'm wearing the headphone, I may not know where the center is, right? But it turns out you can just use your palm to touch it and it would pause. And then up and down to lower the volume and increase the volume. This is previous and next. Very, very cool design. Yeah, especially the play and pause works very well. And you can see the material. Yeah, that's a very good value for the money. Although it is slightly larger, as you can see here. It is definitely larger, maybe 20% or 30% larger than the QC35. Give me a thumbs up if you like this review and subscribe. Thank you.